Cardano ADA is dropping along with the rest of the market right now, invalidating the previous prediction of about 34 cents. Let's talk about where I think it's going next. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Cardano ADA. As I said, we're seeing a move down along with the rest of the market. But before that, I wanted to talk to you about our Black Friday sale. Now, it ends this Friday on November 25th. So if you haven't grabbed the indicators yet, this is the best deal you're going to get. You can get up to $450 off. So if you want to learn how to do that, stay to the end of the video. With that, I'm just going to dive straight into technical analysis. Right now, I'm looking at ADA USD on the TC top and bottom finder metric on the tradeconfident.io website. This metric was last updated on November 21st, which was this morning. Now, if you want to get access to these metrics in many more trading resources, be sure to subscribe to our membership in the links in the description. Now, we got two strong buy signals here on a daily time frame, and the first one shot up immediately. We saw a good price increase here, but since then, after the strong buy, we met structure support where it originally called, so we will be looking for another strong buy signal, or at least a buy signal with a green bar here on the TC market reversal chart. We are below the blue midline here, showing we are in a general downtrend, and we are approaching the green support structure where we last saw strong liquidity. Checking the trading view charts here, this is where you're actually going to use the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow indicators that are currently on sale. These combination of indicators, this one right here, these three, these are my favorite indicators to use to trade. We've seen so much success with our clients and in our own trades, guys. So if you want to get access to these, again, time is running out. Links are in the description. Now, in my last video on Cardano, I had said about 34 cents was my prediction to meet structure resistance right about here. At the time, it would have been about a 6% move up, nothing too big, nothing crazy, but the entire market over the weekend has actually dropped instead. Now, what we're actually seeing is the price is respecting this yellow dotted line here as support. It was used as resistance for quite some time, going back as far as mid-August here. And at some point, right at about October 25th, we saw it break out with the rest of the market, but the FTX crash immediately brought the price back down, and it is now using this line here as structure support. What I think is possible at this point, we have a lot of bearish sentiment overall, lots of bearish pressure in the market. So I think what we're going to see is the price ride this yellow line down to at least about 27 cents right here. I think it's also worth noting that this is the lowest low we've seen for Cardano in this bear market. We do not have recent structure support, so we have to go really, really far back in order to actually find structure support again for Cardano here. Now, this is back late 2020, early 2021 here. You can see right here, this is where the first structure support is at 27 cents, and structure low on this chart is 25 cents. And if we break below that, I think 17 cents here, almost a 50% drop from the current price of 30 cents would be next structure support here. And that's because this was one of the strongest structure resistances at the end of the year 2020 before we saw a parabolic move up. If we do hit this point, I think we will find really strong structure support here. And I do think it is possible if Bitcoin does have its major drop that we've been expecting. I think the entire crypto market is honestly going to see one more drop before we're really finished with this bear market. I think that one more drop is going to happen, and then we're going to see sideways movement for a very long time, and I don't expect any different from Cardano here. Let's scroll back to where we were. So on the chart from our current price, I think we're going to see a minimum drop of about 8% to meet 27 cents, or as far as structure support at 25 cents. Worst case scenario here, we get our major drop. This is talking towards the end of the year here. I think we could see as far down as a 41% drop, about 42% actually, to meet structure support at 17 cents. It is worth noting here on the 1-day time frame and actually the weekly time frame here, trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow are low. So I really don't honestly think we're going to see that much bigger of a move down. I think it is possible, especially if Bitcoin sees a huge drop, but based on regular technical analysis on its own, Cardano does seem poised for a move up. It does look like we've been waiting for that for a very long time here. It does look like the trend exhaustion price versus one money flow are low on the weekly time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, and on the 1-day time frame. So I think a move up is possible in the near future, but given the state of the rest of the market, I think we need to pay more attention to that and give more weight to what the rest of the market is doing. With that, I think a range between 25 and 27 cents is to be expected. We do have room to move down on the 1-day time frame here, so I wouldn't be shocked to see that before seeing a move back up. When the move back up does happen, I think 34 cents is the expected target. But again, 25 to 27 cents is my target for the short term. If we continue following this yellow support line, if we keep following that, I think we could reach it by Sunday, November 27th. Somewhere in there, or as late as the 2nd of December, somewhere in this range. Right now, the market is changing constantly. There is very little trading volume, so even small amounts put in by whales can pump the market like crazy, so we will have to keep you updated. This is a really volatile time, despite the really small candles. This is typically where we're going to see big moves very, very soon. So we really are going to keep you guys updated. At this point, it's going to be really important to grab the indicators to help keep yourself informed throughout your trades. These indicators provide live trading data, state-of-the-art data for you. So if you want to get access to these, links are in the description. Once you click that link, it'll bring you to this page right here, and you don't have to take it from us, guys. Let's just scroll down to the testimonials. This person made $950 in 1 day, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. $500, $5,200, $4,300 in their first 3 trades. Our traders are doing incredible, guys. So if you want to get the best deal possible, what you're going to want to do is grab the bundle pack here. And I'm going to tell you why. Use code SAVE50 at checkout to get access to 9 of our trade confident indicators, including the price versus money flow and trend exhaustion you saw me used in this video. Now, the bundle pack will also include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder here, which will give you a combined total of $450 off. Incredible value. So if you, again, best deal possible is buying all the indicators at once. But if you want to buy the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal on their own, be sure to use code HOLIDAY300 at checkout for $300 off. No matter what you get, it's going to be a lifetime access for a one-time payment with full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, be sure to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll be happy to help you out. The markets are looking really volatile. I think we're poised for some big moves and we will have to keep you guys updated. Very little trading volume in the market means that even small amounts of money can move the market in big ways. So we will have to keep you guys updated. Right now, I'm expecting a move to between 25 and 27 cents on Cardano. But if we do see that move up, I think we're going to maintain that 34 cents that I originally said in my last video as structure resistance. We will keep you guys updated. It's tough to tell exactly where the market's going, so be sure to stay updated on our videos. Indicators will be super important in this time as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.